Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So in this video, what I'll be showing you guys is how you can write your content for your business, whether it's on social media, a blog, a book, whatever it may be, a ad, how you can write it inside Nowsite 2.0 with their chat GPT. So I'm going to show you guys firsthand how simple it is, how you can actually do this and stop racking your brain and cut out the many hours and time consuming things that you have to do to figure out how to do this. So with that, as you can see, we're going to dive right into this video. You can see I'm on this website, Nowsite's back office, or say desktop, in their chat GPT section, or the AI section, we call it Nowsite AI. So with that, you'll see this. I am on here. I'm actually just going to put this here and ask this, a new chat. So I'm ready to go. New chat started right there. That's some previous stuff I did from previous videos to show some people how to use it. And here we go. We're going to dive right into this one. So like I said, content. Let's say I want to do content. I want 5 social media posts. We'll pick around. Let's talk about weight loss. Good things about weight loss. Because New Year's resolution, a lot of people have goals to lose weight and get healthier. So we'll do this. Write 5 social media posts about weight loss for the new year, as well as 2 blogs and 3 email campaigns. So I like to review it. Write 5 social media posts about weight loss for the new year, as well as 2 blogs and 3 email campaigns. Delete that. Let's go ahead and spell right correctly. They're correct. And do a 5. That's simple. Okay. Now I had to use my text to speech feature on my computer. That's why I did that. So we'll see what comes out with from this one. Okay. Boom. You see it spinning right there. Spinning, 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 spinning. Boom. Here we go. Okay, cool. So we got social media posts. Start the new year right with a healthy weight loss plan. Get tips, advice, and more to get you on the path to success. Weight loss. You need hashtags. Nice. Number 2. Look to shed some extra pounds this year. Looking to shed some extra pounds this year. Gotta read properly. Get help and support with our weekly weight loss accountability group. Weight loss, New Year goals. Hashtag. 3. Ready for the challenge of a new year and a new you. Come join us for our comprehensive weight loss program today. Weight loss. Hashtag weight loss. Hashtag New Year's resolution. Start your New Year's with a fresh motivation. Our team is ready to help you reach your weight loss goals. Join us now. Weight loss. Hashtag. Number 5, embrace the fresh start of the new year and jumpstart your journey to healthy living. Make your weight loss goals a reality in 2020. So this is key. Why it says 2020. I like that. I did that because Chat GPT is not connected to the internet. So that's key. You need to know this about Chat GPT. So I will go ahead and adjust that to 2023. It only goes up till 2021 for ChatGPT that it will actually process stuff. Its data is it's coherent up to 2021. So that's good. I'm glad that happened right there. But the content is still good. So weight loss, healthy living, blogs, kickstart your weight loss journey. Tips and tricks for a successful start. Number 2, healthy habits to incorporate. 10 habits to incorporate immediately for long-term weight loss. Email marketing campaigns. So I'll start right there. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to actually, so you got my 5 right there. I want to go ahead and do this because there is a cap on how much it will spit out for you. So now I want to go ahead and go 2 blogs. about weight loss. I'll say how to achieve weight loss. How to achieve weight loss. Okay. Looks good, huh? Very simple. You just got to know what you want to do. Right. And let's go with that. Spinning. So it gives me pretty much gives me the blog's titles. So I guess for that one I will go here and say all right. I'll copy that. Write a blog about let's see what happens with this one. And this isn't beta, I gotta say that. So oh, look at this. So this is the blog. Track your food intake. So you can put 10 tips to help you achieve, that's your title. And then this is your blog. Is that pretty cool? Track your food intake, track your food. And if you want to go in detail, you can actually give more detail. More detail. Give more details. Let's see if that works. Because this is my first time doing this one too. So this is amazing. So it gives me more. So it gives more topics. But as you can see, I mean, more and more I play with it, it'll give me more stuff. And you have to have the prompt. So that's what's amazing about this one here. So I have 10 right there. Take advantage of healthier foods options. Options for healthier food options when you can, such as choosing unprocessed whole foods and reducing your sugar intake. Set small, achievable goals, setting goals. See, and it was awesome because now I can just go ahead and copy and paste, like boom, and it'll do the same thing and paste it where I want to on my website, and then post that website, and everything is good. So and you can create websites in this system. So that's what's nice about that. That'll be another video because that'll be longer. So that's right there. And I want an email campaign. Let's do an email campaign. Okay. Right. A email campaign. Actually, I can select that. Copy. Write email campaign. Campaign about taking charge of your goals. Let's call it 2002 goals. See, very simple. It's just a lot of copy and pasting. Your put weight loss goals. Boom. Okay, now here we go. Let's see what happens. Let's scroll down. It's twirling, it's twirling, it's twirling, and boom. Subject. Take charge of your weight loss goals in 2020. So you will change the 2020 to 2023. Dear subscriber, so that's right there, whoever you're sending it to, your prompt, because you can actually create it in here. Are you ready to make this year your best year when it comes to achieving your weight loss goals? Take charge of your health, and setting realistic goals can be a great way to get started. Our team is here to help you take charge of your weight loss goals in 2020. Like I said, change the 2020 to 2023. We offer tips, advice, and support so that you can reach out your weight loss goals with ease, from tracking your food intake or to joining one of our comprehensive weight loss programs. We have the resources you need to succeed. Take the first step towards a healthier you today. Our team is here to encourage and motivate you every step of the way. Sincerely, your team's name. See, this would be great for like a weight loss business. So this is cool right there. So that's what I'm talking about. So I did all that in less than 10 minutes. And I didn't have to come up with this stuff. So very simple, very ideal. And I love this. So we'll be using this more and more and more. So, oh man, if you have any comments or questions, feel free to put them in the comment section below. I will be happy to answer them. I am very active with my YouTube channel. Also, you can go ahead and comment or call or text me. My number's in the description below. I do answer that and reply. So that's direct line to a connection to me. So that's that. What else? Oh, if this is your first time checking out one of my videos or my channel, go ahead and hit that big red button below. Yep, this is a subscribe button. And right next to it is a little bell. Hit that bell and hit all, because anytime I put out any new content, YouTube is going to send a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul put out a new video. You like this last one, so you might want to check out this one too. So hopefully you got some value from this one, guys, because I know I am getting value from this. This is still in the beta stage, but I am enjoying it. And from what it is giving me, I know it's getting better and better. And I know that it's taking so much time and putting it back in my hands. So I'm not actually have to do all the thinking. And yeah, it's amazing. So yeah, guys. So hopefully you like what you see. If you want to get your hands on this one, because it won't be available to the public until until the February. But if you want to get your hands on the beta, you can actually do so in this platform. Go ahead and click the link above, or in the description, the first comment that's pinned. You can go ahead and click that and get started with that one too. They're having a sale promotion right now, half off for a whole year. You can do monthly or annual. So with that, guys, I'm going to wrap this up. And I guess until the next one, guys, take care, be safe, and be blessed.